What up, YouTube? Back with another fucking reaction. We're reacting to Marvel Studios' The Thunderbolts. I'm interested. This shit comes out next year, so I'm very interested. I saved no spoilers, no nothing. We don't know no nothing. We going in blind. Let's see how this shit goes. Again, we're reacting to Marvel Studios' The Thunderbolts.
Leave on porch.
Oh, this is Scarlet Witch's sister.
Your subordinates will be reported to DoorDash HQ.
Alexei, it's me. Open up.
Oh, that's her father.
Milena? Hold on! Milena!
Hi, Dad.
Sorry about the wait. It was an important call. Highly classified. Lot of work. Many irons in fire.
You feel fulfilled?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so full. So filled. But why do you ask this? What brings you here?
What's your for Phil? Damn, she got serious real quick.
There is something wrong with me.
This shit R-rated? I know Thunderbolts are
emptiness.
evil.
I'm just drifting,
Oh, that's...
and I don't have purpose.
This guy.
I thought throwing myself into work was the answer.
Wait, she killing people? I thought she was good.
When your feet are on the air, your head on the
Who's that? That's gonna be Penance, because I know Penance was on the Thunderbolt. Is that Taskmaster?
Oh, no.
Who are you?
I'm Bob.
Who sent you, Bob?
Nobody. You were all sent?
Who the fuck is Bob?
Everyone here has done bad things. Shadow ops,
Bob sounds familiar.
robbing government labs, contract kills.
They're all
so?
assassins.
So, someone wants us gone.
Why should I know who Bob is? I feel like that's familiar.
What the hell?
We're brought up with this belief that there are good guys and there are bad guys.
What's
He's
the plan?
invulnerable? Who's taking
This
a
could
shot?
get messy.
Is he gonna be the leader?
But eventually, you come to realize that there are bad guys. You come
It's
to
the.
realize
I know they did not put the
that there are
Sentry.
bad guys.
Bob's.
You come to realize
That's Sentry's alter ego. He was a drug addict. Hold on, that was Sentry's emblem,
and
right?
nothing
You
else. There
tripping?
are bad guys
That is Sentry's emblem,
and there are worse guys.
bro.
And nothing
why
else.
would they put the Sentry in this movie?
Look at you.
No,
So
bro,
adorable.
Whoa.
Don't worry, she's bulletproof. What happened to bulletproof? It's bulletproof-ish.
Fuck this boat.
Is that Bucky?
That is Bucky.
That's not good.
It was
You've seen
dope,
it, haven't you?
but bro, the Sentry is so hardcore. Like, if you don't know nothing about the Sentry, you know he is a beast with like the power of like 1,000 burning suns. He done fought the Hulk to a stalemate. Like, he's certified, and they're not gonna do him justice in the movie. Damn. I wanted to like this shit, but like it just blew my mind with the Century edition. They didn't even have to add him, bro. Why? Bro. Alright, that was the Thunderbolt trailer. That shit fucked me up, bro. I'm gonna get that like a 7. Nah, fuck that. We giving that shit a 6. What the fuck are they doing, bro? Marvel gonna fuck it up again.